Hi there, I'm Brittany from Mountain Luxe RV, your Grech RV specialty dealer here in Denver, Colorado. Grech RV is known for building a top-of-the-line Class B camper van, and if you haven't seen one in person yet, I highly recommend it. The quality and attention to detail truly stands out compared to other brands in the market. Today, I'll walk you through the differences in the brand new 2026 Grech RV models, so you have all the information you need to decide which model is the best fit for your lifestyle. There are 3 models: the Turismo, the Terreno, and the Strada, which I like to refer to as small, large, and largest. Each offer a slightly different size and setup, so choosing the right one really depends on how you plan to use it. Let's start with the Turismo Ion. This is the most compact model of the 3, measuring at about 19.5 feet long. That's about the length of a full-size pickup truck. It's built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with a 144-inch wheelbase, and it comes with a high-output 4-cylinder diesel engine. The Turismo is perfect if you want a van that's easy to park and maneuver. I call it our get-anywhere, park-anywhere van, and it's especially great for solo travelers or couples taking shorter trips. It doesn't have as much storage or tank capacity as the larger models, but Grech has done an amazing job fitting in nearly all the same features that you'll find in the bigger vans. Grech only builds the 2026 Turismo on the all-wheel drive chassis, no more rear-wheel drive. Next up are the Terreno and the Strada. These are your large and largest options with a more powerful chassis and extra storage over the smaller Turismo model. Both are built in the longer Mercedes Sprinter 170-inch wheelbase. The Terreno sits at just under 23 feet and the Strada is a touch over 24 feet. That extra 15 inches of length on the Strada is all in the rear cargo area, which can make a big difference if you're packing a lot of gear or you have specific gear like golf clubs. Some of our customers prefer the drive and a slightly shorter chassis of the Terreno and don't really need the extra storage in the back. But that is really the only difference between the 2 models is the 15 inches of storage space and the length in the back. The slight difference in length might also matter to you here if there's specific campsites in mind or parks that have length restrictions, or you have an indoor garage that is limited on length. Both of these larger models will have dually rear wheels and upgraded air suspension, which will give you a smoother drive than the smaller Turismo. The Terreno only comes in all-wheel drive. The Strada will be the one 2026 model that you can get in either all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. The Strada rear-wheel drive option will ride a little lower and can be easier to get in and out of if step height is a concern. All 3 models, the Turismo, the Terreno, and the Strada, come standard with a 5,000-pound towing capacity. Grech used to offer a choice between a generator and a lithium battery system, but they no longer make the generator version because there just was so much more demand for the battery system. So now every model has the Ion option. And speaking of Ion, as of 2026, every model now comes standard with the new Grech power system. This is a whole new power system, and it's a pretty substantial upgrade with larger battery capacity, much quicker charge times, remote diagnostics, updated controls, and more. By popular demand, the 2026 also now comes with a Starlink system installed. Check out our YouTube channel. We've got videos highlighting all of the new 2026 model year updates, as well as a deep dive on the 2026 Strada and Terreno and the Turismo. Now that you've got the model basics down, let's talk floor plans. There are 3 floor plans to choose from: the Tour, the Twin Bed, and the Lounge. The Tour is the most popular and it's available on all 3 models. In the Turismo, that's gonna seat 4. In the Terreno and the Strada, it's gonna seat up to 7. In the Tour, you'll get a roomier kitchen, more generous storage, and in the back, the power sofa and ottomans come together to form a bed. This setup is ideal for 2 people traveling together, maybe with a dog or 2 along for the ride. The twin bed layout is now also available on all 3 models. It's now available on the Strada, which it wasn't previously. It has a center aisle that runs straight down the center of the van, which makes it easy to store longer items like foldable electric bikes we've seen a lot of, or skis. In the Turismo, you can have up to 4 passengers and 6 on the Terreno or the Strada with this twin bed floor plan. The power twin beds come down into 1 larger sleeping space. You can't exactly sleep on the 2 separate twin beds because the width is not quite there, but it gives you a nice open feel in the rear of the van when those sofa beds are up. The lounge is a special floor plan that's only available on the Strada. It seats up to 8 passengers, so it has the largest passenger capacity. It adds 2 captain's chairs in the front and a second TV, giving you an extra lounging space in the front. You do give up a little storage and kitchen space here, but you gain an extra seat and a more social layout. This one is great for families and anybody traveling with groups. We also find that some couples need the separate lounge spaces for 2 separate working areas. Once you've chosen your model and your floor plan, the last step is picking colors. For 2026, the exterior color options include Tannerite Gray, which you see a lot of behind me here, Blue Gray, Gray White, and a new high-tech silver color. Inside, you can choose from light or dark cabinets, light or dark seats, and light or dark countertops. If we don't have the exact combination you're looking for in stock, we can always custom order the perfect combination for you. Well, I hope this overview helps you narrow down your options and get you closer to finding the Grech RV that's right for you. If you still have questions, we are here to help. Stop by our indoor showroom in Denver, give us a call, or check out our other videos for a deeper look at the incredible 2026 Grech RV lineup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.